Yo, welcome back to the BST4 channel. Wingness, what's going on? What's happening? Before I begin this video, man, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Random and the Random Clan, bro. They went out and they got them a food truck, bro. He was saying he was thinking about it off and on, him and his wife, and they made it happen. If you got a significant other out there that's fully supportive on what you do, no matter what crazy ideas you have, and she's down with it, you guys can do anything together. You're stronger together than apart. And that's what I'm learning, and that's what I'm seeing through the Random family, bro. Now, what happened to my daily Crown Victoria? Well, the upper arm went on it. Started to make this crazy noise. Let's check this out. Dang it, I hate doing this, but this is what I gotta do. It sucks, man. Hardest part of this whole thing was not to break this. This was a pain, but it actually came out pretty decent. And then later on after that, the sway bar bushings in the front went. I couldn't believe it, but you know what? It happens, man. The car is old, so, you know, that's what it is. So what we're gonna do now, right? We're gonna take our behind to the junkyard. I came here to go look for some parts. Not from these cars, but there's something in the other yard that I need to go get. Here's the car right here, 96 Grand Marquis, right? I need rear pieces and I need other pieces. I need the ECU. I may take some other little doodads inside of the engine bay. The most important piece that we need is going to be, see that bracket there? I need that. But I need to find something to prop this thing up. That's what we need to do, something like this. So we need those tires. I'm gonna lift this up. I'm gonna take these wheels off and put it on the other car and have that lift up. So let me go ahead and figure this out. Don't be fooled, man. You need money to do even the smallest things, even at the junkyard. You can ask the guy to do it, but when you give him a little, he'll move faster. That's just life. So I'm gonna have him lift up the back of this, and then I'm gonna slide these two tires underneath. Oh, there you go. So let me go ahead and figure this out. All right, so we got this thing up. So we're good. So now we do go underneath here, pop that. Cool. I may keep this, don't know yet. Good axles. You never know. All right, so got that off now. I really would like to cut this, really would, but so we got everything out, man. It took a minute, didn't have the right tool, this, that, and the third, but we definitely got it out. That's all I really needed. I needed calipers. I was trying to come back and get it before they start ripping off stuff, but they ripped off the stuff I needed. I have the hood at home, so I got the hood, got that. Now this axle here is not that great. has pitting right there. Still doable, but I'll just take one axle. You never know. We need some calipers though. We'll probably get those new, or we'll try to get them used. But there's no car out here that has them. There's one right here. A little rusty and crusty. I mean, I think it'll still do though. I'll come and get this another time. The most important part is what I needed right there. All right, it's time to get up out of here. It's getting hot. Now we're back home. What I picked up was this hood off the same car, and we've gotten these. This was the main thing I wanted to get. I wanted to get the calipers along with it, but the calipers was gone, obviously. So we took this carrier out of the other car that's over there, the 96. We'll go over there in a few minutes, and this is the thing that we're working on. I had things soaking in here. The clutches, this friction modifier. I almost forgot to add this, man. So this thing is about ready. I put them in their little carrier thingy already. Basically, you just mimic what came out. It's one plate clutch, two plate clutch, plate, and another clutch. And that's basically how it is. And then these washers go on the outside, inside of the thing. So basically they kind of go like so. And then you just install those in like that. But I'm not going to install them in this because it'll be a lot easier to go in and out with this being a little bit lighter than it is. You know what I mean? Like last time I did that before, that junk sucked, man. It was just too heavy. So anyway, like I said, you know, we took out the rear and everything. That rotor did not want to come out. And it wasn't because of the brakes. It was basically because it was just seized on there and everything. So what we're going to do now is go up underneath here and see what this is all about. I never really wanted to put in 410 gears because of this whole situation here. That's the bar that you gotta need, or what I made, or whatever, because he just holds it like that in the front so you can loosen the nut. And then really after that, when you tighten it, you're gonna move it, this bar on the other side to tighten it. So, you know, I gotta take this thing out, check the bearings and see if there's either Koyo or Timken. If it's Timken, I got to put in Timken. And whatever shims are in them, I'll use those shims because I'm using all Ford parts. So they should be about the right about size, somewhere around there. So that's what we're working with, man. And obviously, you know, we got to do the springs and everything. Look how skinny this thing is, bro, for the rear. Crazy. I need another one. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV, man. Hope you guys were enlightened. Thank you for just staying with me on the video. We were just taking a trip to the junkyard, pulling down some things, showing you what's going on behind the scenes, in the front of the scenes. Let me tell you something. On YouTube, there's this guy, right? 8-Bit Brian. Yo, he has a Lincoln Mark 8 with the same engine just like this. You want to see this thing in action? Check this out. Now mind you, it is bone stock, bro. Just a stock engine, refreshened up with a tune, 410 gears. I'm inspired. My man Motor City Mike said he misses his Mark 8 so bad, man. I am just sitting here thinking and wondering. I hate when I get into that mode. I start thinking and wondering, but I'm staying focused. We gotta do this car here, and we have to do this one over here. So we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Click like and subscribe, man, and thank you so much for just bearing with me through this stuff here, man. I'm just trying to hang on here and try to get this thing situated and get it running. We'll see you guys. Ford Explorer, bro. It's bad. You know, rocker panels on the bottom always, you know, tattered and battered. But the thing is that, to me, it seems like it's a V8. And that's really what I care about. Just want to, you know, I'm just inquiring, not buying. I got things to do. Let's see what's up with this motor here. How the heck you open this thing? God dang. Engine is all there. You see this, if I had this engine here, which we had it in the Maverick already, this was going to be the engine I was going to put into the white car, but I couldn't find one for a good price. Now this one here is all there, and you know, when you do this wire harness on this car here, if obviously you take out that, you take that along with it, that, and you take this along with it, and then you wire it out. The harness comes out pretty daggone clean, because all you really need is here, whip to here, this box, you definitely need this, and then you just take everything else out of here, and you just, oh, it has a small little leak here, but that ain't nothing, man. The engine's still good. Looked like they took care of it, but they're just tired of it.